Today we're going to bring in a cable, a Type C to a Type A, and we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Now, to let you know, this is a 3.0. We're going to plug it in, and if you guys ever get these cameras that need the Type C connection, fast transfer cable that we're going to use today to actually stream through this camera and make it quality even better, because this is a 4K camera, but we're not getting the 4K that we deserve if you don't use a cable like this. So we're going to plug it into directly to our surface, and we're going to capture from our surface straight to the actual cable into the system. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to connect our actual connection. I do have an extender because unfortunately this is a Surface. It only has Type C to Type C. So we're going to plug it in. We're going to connect our system, and then we're going to grab our camera. But before you set up the camera, you got to make sure you see your instructions on how to set it up onto the C. All right, so we're going to stream through our C and get the quality on our camera. So let's go ahead and turn on the camera first. Power it on. Power our camera. We're going to stream the camera. We're going to say program to stream. So we're going to go menu. If you have a Sony ZV-E10, this is what you got to do. Go to menu. I created a USB stream program, so we're just going to hit OK. And that's pretty much how we're going to do it. So we have it connect. Now we can connect. It's able to accept the Type C. And I like that they have this little curve. If you guys can see that Type C curve. So it won't bend and break. And you just plug it in. Program it in, and it should be ready. So we got our camera here, and let's go ahead and go into our surface. So let's go in our camera space. We're gonna open OBS, all right, and we're just gonna show you how to stream with your camera. So once you go into the OBS, you're gonna drop down, and now it sees a ZV-E10, and we're gonna activate it, and we're gonna say save it. And now here we are capturing, but because it's 4K, you got to stream it down just a little bit because I have too much high quality on it. And let's go change the camera, and you guys can see. So we're capturing the camera now into our directly with the cable. If you guys can see the cable there. Of course, there's a zoom in and out button, so I do have that in there. So now I'm able to control the camera just to show you guys the camera. One camera, what? And now it's capturing that really high quality, which I don't like, because now you see my natural face. So very simple, easy to set up. If you guys see, the camera is capturing from there directly to the laptop. And this is perfect if you're going to be filming outdoors, doing any kind of events, and you want to use your computer to capture or to stream. You can do that simple. You can zoom in and out, and you can use a normal regular camera, Canon. This is great for any camera that has a Type C and that you can stream through the actual camera. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.